slow up. No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
The Renault Duster is not just any SUV. Back in 2012, it actually created the compact SUV segment in India. Now, in 2026, Renault has brought it back with a completely new design, new technology and a new platform. Today, I'm in Dehradun for the official media drive of the Renault Duster 2022. And it's raining cats and dogs here, but the weather is amazing. The roads are perfect here. Hills, highways, rough patches. Basically, ideal conditions to test a true SUV. The new Duster is built on Renault's highly advanced CMF B Global platform, which is designed for better strength, safety and driving dynamics. It's also been specifically adapted for India with a massive road presence and incredible ground clearance. Now let's talk about what really matters, the engine options under the hood. The new Duster is expected to offer some punchy petrol options. A 1-litre turbo petrol engine producing around 99 horsepower, a more powerful 1.2-litre or 1.3-litre turbo petrol option that delivers around 130 to 160 horsepower, and the biggest highlight, a 1.6-litre strong hybrid engine. So yes, no diesel this time, only refined petrol and highly efficient hybrid options. Driving the car here in Dehradun actually makes a lot of sense. The turbo petrol feels quick and the higher torque makes overtaking on these hill roads effortless. Renault has also focused heavily on ride comfort and stability, which has always been the legendary strong point of the Duster. The suspension setup includes a McPherson strut at the front and a torsion beam at the rear, soaking up bumps perfectly. Now the biggest upgrade is the strong hybrid technology. The system uses a 1.6-litre petrol engine combined with twin electric motors and a battery pack. Renault claims that in city driving conditions, it can run up to 80% of the time in pure electric mode. Imagine the mileage. They've also paid close attention to aerodynamics. The new design cuts through the air much better, resulting in a significant reduction in drag and way better cabin noise insulation. Inside, the new Duster feels much more premium than the older generation. You get massive floating touchscreen infotainment system, level 2 ADAS safety features for maximum protection, and a highly spacious cabin with improved seat comfort. It's clearly designed to take on the most modern SUVs in India. But even with all this premium stuff, Duster hasn't forgotten its tough SUV DNA. With an impressive ground clearance of around 217 mm, it's extremely capable for rough roads and mild off-roading. Now the biggest question, the price. And this time, Renault has played it very smart. The new Renault Duster in India is expected to be priced in the range of around 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs, depending on the variant and engine options. After experiencing the all-new Renault Duster here in Dehradun, I can confidently say that it's not just a comeback, it's a complete transformation. Comment below and mention your views on the Renault Duster, and also subscribe Get Up with Garima for more such content.